Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are discussing two important outputs of the control quality process: verified deliverables and validated changes. Now, why are we taking them together? Well, when you go over the video, you will be able to understand why. Also, if you're into reading articles, as always, first link in the description will be a related article on our official website pmclounge.com. So if you're into reading, check out the first link. Second link will be the entire playlist of quality management knowledge area. So every single video that we have done on quality management available as a playlist in the second link. Very important. Two links, very important. Let's get started. So where are we? Like I've mentioned earlier, these two are important outputs of the control quality process. But where is the control quality process? So here is where it is. Monitoring and controlling process group, quality management knowledge area, outputs of control quality process is what we are discussing. Like I mentioned, second link in the description will be the entire playlist of every video that we have done on quality management, and that covers these processes as well. So without wasting any time, let's talk about verified deliverables. Now, as soon as a deliverable of the project is ready, and by deliverable, I mean it could be a piece of code, it could be an important document, contract, anything that you churn out, your project team churns out as part of the project is known as a deliverable. So as soon as that deliverable is ready, any deliverable of the project is ready, the project team inspects it to find any defect. Now, this is an important quality. This is very important from quality perspective, right? Anything that is generated as part of the project should be and must be inspected for any possible defects. Now, when you're doing this inspection, right, you are basically measuring the deliverable on the basis of your project's defined quality standards. This will also include your organization's quality standards. This is something that we have discussed in our previous videos as well. So you have quality standards which are defined as part of the quality management knowledge area, right? Your previous processes. Now, when you measure a deliverable which is completed, when you measure, inspect it, and measure where it stands, you are basically scoring it, measuring it against the quality standards that you have already defined. This is very important. That is why I'm stressing on point number two. Now, if you find any defects when you have done your measurement against the quality standards, if you find something which is not up to the mark of the defined quality standards, that could be a defect. So when a defect is found, of course, the defect needs to be fixed. Now, this entire process generates verified deliverables. Remember, we are not saying that these deliverables are 100% defect free. We are just saying that these are verified deliverables. These have been verified. If they found defects, fine. If they did not find defects, still fine, right? But the deliverable as such has been verified. So that is what we mean when we say verified deliverable, and this is one of the outputs of the control quality process. A quick reminder about our free 1.5 hour session on project management. It is called Project Management 101. Head over to pmclounge.com/pm101. This class is your gateway to the world of project management. Let's move on. Okay, so the next output is validating changes. Now, in the previous slide, we talked about how if you find any defects, you have to fix those defects. So once the defects are fixed, once the defects are repaired, there's a bug fix, a defect fix that has gone in, you will have to perform the inspection again. You'll have to again inspect the deliverable. This makes sure that the defects are not present anymore. So this is important. You have to perform the inspection again, right? And this process of validating the fixes, right? Validating the bug fixes or defect fixes, this is known as validating changes, because you have made some changes in the deliverable because there was a defect that you found, and then you've made some change and now you're validating that change. So this is the output, second output, validating change from the control quality process. Question of the day. What is the difference between validated and accepted deliverables? Remember, we are saying deliverable, not changes. Validated deliverable and accepted deliverable. What is the difference between the two? If you know the answer, drop it in the comments. If you don't know the answer, third link in the description. I've actually done a video on this topic itself. So third link, very, very important. In fact, I'll also drop a related video in the fourth link. Those two links should help you address any confusion you may have related to this word validated and this word also accepted in your PMP courseware. So third and fourth link also very important. Check them out. That's all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it and found it valuable. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. As always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource with helpful articles and related videos. Thank you.